Hi friends, I want to offer you a version of a lean dinner of a rice with vegetables with a cabbage salad. But the time it takes half an hour, but a delicious and hearty dinner is guaranteed.
To begin with, we send the washed rice to cook until fully cooked. Chop the cabbage and put it in a salad bowl. Cut the onion into small cubes. We send half to the cabbage. Fry half in vegetable oil until translucent. Grate carrots on a coarse grater. Half in a salad bowl. Fry half with onions for about 3 minutes. Cut the peeled peppers into cubes. Remove the core from the tomato, cut into large cubes. Add tomatoes and bell peppers, salt and spices to frying. I usually use frozen vegetables, and in summer you can fresh. Fry vegetables for 3 minutes over medium heat. In the meantime, vegetables are fried, we will finish the salad. We add vegetable oil, vinegar, salt to fresh vegetables, and for those who like sweetened salad we add sugar. I dilute it in boiling water. We mix everything. Salad ready. Add canned corn to ready-made vegetables, mix and fry for 2 minutes. Put the boiled rice in a frying pan and fry with vegetables over low heat for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. A simple, delicious dinner is ready. The rice should be served hot.
Bon appetit! I wish you successful culinary masterpieces. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. There will be a lot of delicious and interesting things ahead. See you soon!